up, gang? Welcome and welcome back to this channel. Thanks for clicking. Today I'm going to show y'all how I got some real juicy curls for my wash and go. We are starting off with the Aztec clay mask. I do have a whole video explaining how often I do my clay mask, when I use it, all that good stuff. So I'm not going to talk much about it, but I am going to say that I do try to use this mask every 2 weeks. I love doing it before wash and go because it just has some really great benefits for my curls and really helps my curls look really good. This is my first wash and go with my brand new hair trim. So my ends are looking real good. I've already shampooed my hair and put in conditioner on the hair that's out. So I'm going to show y'all what I did on my last section. I love to work in sections, especially in the shower, so I can just really make sure that I'm cleaning my scalp and my hair, and I'm moisturizing every strand that I can. I use these satin scrunchies. I got these from Shein for like $1. I can find the link for that. I love using satin scrunchies instead of clips. They just are easier to maneuver. Before I put any products in my hair, like shampoo, conditioner, anything, I love to make sure my hair is saturated. I love using water to clean. Water helps detangle. Water is a great moisturizer. The shampoo I am using today is the Main Choice Retention Growth. I don't even know the name, but I absolutely adore the shampoo. I've had the same bottle for 4 years, which sounds crazy. And I'm pretty sure I used the last little bit in this video. I added a little bit of water, which is a great tip, especially for any natural hair products. Adding water, because water should be an ingredient in there, can help you stretch that a little bit out. And plus, I haven't seen this shampoo anywhere, like you have to buy it online. I use this shampoo to really help me grow my hair out. I found that this was a great shampoo for that. It's a very moisturizing shampoo, and it just cleans my hair and my scalp so well. It smells really good. I'm trying to think of something negative to say about it, but I really don't. It clumps my curls and it cleans, which is what I need. I will say Main Choice is on the more expensive side, but I'm not gonna lie, the quality is so good that I don't mind paying that price, and this bottle lasts me a very long time. Shampoos usually last me a while, even though that does not mean I skip shampoo days, because I do not. But shampoo, just a little bit of shampoo, and then you add some water and it's gonna start lathering up. I do shampoo each section twice. This is just a close-up of my ends. They're looking good. I love the way curls look after a haircut. Curls instantly start looking curlier after a haircut. So if you're doing a wash and go and you feel like it's looking a little janky, you might need a little trim to help give the curls some life. My phone jumped off the wall and tried to attack me, so I was just over it. I didn't even finish because I was just like, I'm getting out. But what I did was shampoo my whole head twice, and then I put in Herbal Essence Hydration Conditioner. I have used it in another video just to emphasize how much I love this conditioner. It's below $6. No more than $6. It's very hydrating. In fact, it's so hydrating that I didn't even use a deep conditioner. This is me rinsing off that conditioner, and my curls look really shiny, really clumped. I actually didn't have a deep conditioner, and I was like, there's no way I'm running to the store right now. So I was just like, I'm gonna just use this conditioner. Now I'm going straight into my wash and go. I do apply my leave-ins in the shower, and that is the first step of this wash and go. The first step out of 2 steps. That leave-in being Kinky Curly's Not Today leave-in, another high price but high quality product. It smells absolutely delicious. When applying any products that are going to stay on my hair, so leave-ins, gels, creams, I do not wait until my hair turns white to know that the product is on my hair, because I don't like that. I feel like that turns into flaking once it dries. So once I see that product just going back into my hand, I know that my hair has absorbed all that it can absorb, and I just move on to the next section. I used to always forget to get the hairs on my neck. Please don't forget to do that. Those hairs need some love too. Running some product back there, making sure that it's all moisturized. And boom, looking good. I do that to each section. I used a pretty generous amount. Another thing I do that I feel helps with hair absorbing products is use warm to hot water that opens the hair cuticle and helps you put that product in your hair, especially if you have low porosity hair. Once I was done applying that leave-in all over, I put some peppermint oil on my scalp. My hair was just feeling really itchy this week, and this helps me a lot. It makes my scalp feel a lot cleaner. It really eliminates that itchiness for me. This is an extra step. I don't always do this. Once I'm done with that, I'm hopping out the shower, sectioning my hair again to put in the curly custard, BRB. I'm gonna go find a man to open this. If you never used a custard before, this is the consistency of it. If you have done a wash and go and you used a gel and it gave you this crazy crunchy feeling and you wasn't feeling that, please try a custard. There are at least 3 that I've tried, this being one of them, this one being one of the ones I fell in love with. I do have another video on 𝐿's custard, which is a really great custard too. It is a lighter weight type of gel. I don't want to say gel, but it is a lighter weight hold, and it has a less hold than a gel, so it's not gonna leave your hair crunchy. It is super slippery. It's going to leave your hair very shiny and super defined. When I am applying this custard, I didn't really need to use a lot of water, because when you apply that leave-in in the shower, the leave-in is supposed to help your hair hold that water. I did use a detangling brush, especially on parts that felt more knotty than others, but y'all, these 2 products are so moisturizing and detangling. I didn't feel the need to really use my detangling brush a whole lot. I did a lot of shingling and just raking my fingers through my hair to get that definition, but honestly the products did so much of the work. This was a very easy wash and go. Those are all the steps, those are all the products, all the tips that I have for you in this video, because that was it. I did that section by section throughout my hair. These are the results. Here are some pictures of when it dried. I forgot to come back to the camera and show y'all that, but I do have a video on how I stretch my curls. That is it, my loves. If you're hearing this and you watch this video all the way through, you might as well subscribe. You might as well like this video. You might as well comment any questions that you may have. You might as well go watch the next video. But that's all I gotta say. Much love, much peace, and I hope to see y'all again. Deuces.